I am completely healthy. You know, you could hug me, you could shake my hand. There is no way that I would give you Ebola.
With her boyfriend at her side, nurse Kaci Hickox emerged from her home Wednesday night to speak to reporters about her fight with the state of Maine.
We have been in negotiations all day with the state of Maine and tried to resolve this amicably, but they will not allow me to leave my house and have any interaction with the public, even though I am completely healthy and symptom-free.
Hickox, a Doctors Without Borders nurse who recently returned from Sierra Leone, says she's been informed that Maine's Attorney General plans to take legal action so they can force her to stay in her home for a 21-day quarantine. In the meantime, police are stationed outside her home in an unmarked car. They're monitoring her movements and watched as she spoke to reporters.
I don't want to hurt anyone in the public, but I don't think this is an acceptable line to be drawn.
State healthcare officials disagree.
Staying at home for the duration of this 21-day period does not seem like a burdensome request to ask in order to provide, out of an abundance of caution, a protection to her and to the individuals of this state.
Hickox said she thinks there's some middle ground that could be agreed upon, like travel restrictions and what she called direct active monitoring.
Do you have an actual public health worker in your state coming to your house once a day to see you and calling you the second time? You're taking your temperature twice a day?
Hickox has come under fire not only from politicians and government officials, but from many in the public. On social media, she's been called selfish and a disgrace to her profession. But Hickox says it's others in her profession that she's fighting for. She doesn't want them to face similar circumstances when they return from treating people in West Africa.
It scares me to think of how they're going to be treated. I'm fighting for something much more than myself.